welcome to my video today. This video is going to be awesome. I am doing 3 low-carb side dishes for Thanksgiving to give you some ideas for if you're preparing your Thanksgiving dinner for your friends and family this year. These are delicious recipes. So this video is part of a collaboration with my wonderful sweet friends, Melissa and Christy at I'm Merely Melissa in Christy's Farmhouse. I'm going to link their channels in the description box as well as a playlist of everybody's Thanksgiving recipes. It's going to be so awesome. Thanksgiving is one of my favorite holidays. I love all the good food. I love being with friends and family and just celebrating how thankful we are for each other. So I cannot wait for all the delicious food. I cannot wait to see everybody's recipes in the playlist. So make sure you check that out after this video. But I'm going to be sharing with you some bacon maple syrup Brussels sprouts, really good. Some mashed cauliflower, so it'd be like mashed potatoes, but cauliflower, so low carb. And I'm also gonna be doing some butter garlic mushrooms. So all 3 of these sides, super low carb, really healthy. You definitely don't have to overeat too much on Thanksgiving, even though there's tons of awesome food, but I wanted to give you some really good, healthy options for side dishes. I'm gonna put timestamps in the description box also, so if you wanna jump straight to one of the 3 recipes, head down to the description box and it'll take you right to those recipes. So I cannot wait to start cooking this for you guys. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Make sure you check out the playlist as well in the description box. All right, let's get everything going. So first I'm gonna make my Brussels sprouts. So I have bacon, garlic, maple syrup, so good, and some olive oil. So I am going to take my Brussels sprouts and I'm going to cut them in half. They are pretty big. You can even kind of quarter these sometimes. These are pretty big ones. It just definitely depends on the size of the Brussels sprout, but these look really good, perfect for this roasted dish. So I'm gonna cut all of the Brussels sprouts. I'm gonna cut up the bacon, add the bacon. I'm gonna toss it in olive oil and add on my maple syrup. And then I'm going to cook these for about 30 to 40 minutes, depending on the size of your Brussels sprouts at 350 degrees. So bacon goes so good with Brussels sprouts. It is just an awesome combination, especially with the maple syrup added in as well. So this is such a good dish, not just for a Thanksgiving side, but for a side for any time of year really, because it's so yummy, keto friendly or low carb, and tons and tons of flavor. Just a drizzle of the maple syrup on top of the Brussels is perfect. So I'm going to cook these at 350 for about 30 to 40 minutes. So mushrooms are so good for you. So I have mushrooms, garlic, and butter. Super simple, really easy, and a really good, healthy, low-carb side dish. So I'm just going to cut the mushrooms up. I've already washed them with a damp towel, but I'm going to cut them into quarters because these are pretty big mushrooms. I'm going to cut them into quarters, add in the melted butter and garlic, and put them in my baking dish. I'm going to bake these in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. I have a tablespoon of minced garlic. I love to buy it already minced. You can definitely mince your own. I'm going to add in my melted butter. I used 1 cube of butter for all of this, so it's a lot of butter, but I am mixing it all around and coating the mushrooms with all the delicious butter and garlic. I'm going to make mashed cauliflower. So I have my steamer basket in my pot of water, and I have cut up all the head of cauliflower. So I'm going to steam this in my steamer basket, and it's going to take about 10 to 12 minutes to steam. I'm going to put the lid on and let that cook. And then once it's all steamed, I will add in some heavy whipping cream, some sour cream. So it's all cooked now. And I'm going to add in the other ingredients, and I'm going to mix this up with my immersion blender to make it nice and smooth. So I'm using half a cup of heavy whipping cream and half a cup of sour cream, and this is going to be so good and just like regular mashed potatoes. When they are all whipped up with the immersion blender, it just gives them an awesome consistency, just like regular mashed potatoes. I'm going to add a little bit of chives on top, and they are so good. I hope you guys really enjoyed these recipes. They are all my favorites. I really love them. So I can have them all year round, not just for Thanksgiving. But it was so fun making this Thanksgiving themed video with Melissa and Christy. I love doing collaborations every single month with these sweet ladies. So make sure you go check out their channels and the playlist in the description box. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. I hope that you have a really great rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.